Welcome to Machine Vision tutorial. Last time I showed you how to count resistors with the simplest scan stripe based method. Today I will show you how to make the same application for resistor counting using region analyzing method. Hardware setting is the same as in the first part of this tutorial, and again I'm using Adaptive Vision Studio 4.12. You may ask why we need that technique, as in the previous video I told you the other one is better in my opinion. Because this one is resistant to shift and rotations of the object, and it is very good if we don't know where exactly our object could be. Okay, so let's start again with image acquisition filter. This time I'm gonna use enumerate images filter. I'm choosing directory with image set. And now take a look at loaded images. As you can see, the object has been rotated in different directions. This time I don't want to work directly on the image, but on the region, so I'm gonna use threshold to region filter. As you can see, default setting is not working here, so we must change it. First, check intensity of resistors and background on the image, and insert those values into filter properties with some tolerance. And now it's working. Now I want to remove this region with wires, to have region with resistors only. To make this possible, I'm using region morphology. Erode region should be okay, but in this case, open region will be much better. And again, we must change default settings to get intended results. In the last operation, I'm gonna split this one big region into small ones and remove region that don't belong to resistors. For example, this big one. I'm using split region filter. Check the blob areas and set minimum and maximum blob size in the properties. Drag and drop count output to preview and check results. And it's working. Now let's compare this algorithm with the previous one. algorithm with regions is a little slower, but the first one was not able to detect all these resistors. In the next video, I will show you how to modify first algorithm to increase its resistance for rotations. I will also show you how to make simple HMI, so make sure to subscribe to my channel, and if this video was helpful, please leave a like and share this content.